Hello class, this is Purvi and today we will be studying the chapter Exponents in Power. The same chapter we have studied in the class 7, but here we will be dealing with the basically the negative powers, right? Okay, so here we will be dealing with negative powers, and first we are going to study the meaning of exponents and powers. Exponent with same base, with different base, and other laws of exponent. Let's start. So now, if I ask you what is the basically the exponents and power, simply nothing. Just we have studied. Suppose if I write 7 to the power 5, we all know 7 7 to the power 5 is simply expanding 7 5 times, right? Okay. If I write 7 ki power minus 5, how will you solve this? For this, there is a property that is a ki power minus m is equal to 1 upon a ki power m. So, 7 upon minus 5 can be written as 1 upon 7 ki power 5, that is 7, expanding 7 5 times, right? And this property, work in two ways. How? Let me tell you. Suppose if I say that 6 ki power 5, you know 6 ki power 5, if you want to write in the reciprocal form, then it will be 1 upon 6 ki power 5, right? If I say 6 ki power 7, suppose suppose if I say 1 upon 6 ki power 7, right, minus 7, write it in positive. Then when the power goes up, when the this term goes up, the sign of the power changes, so it will be 6 by 7. So similarly, when it is negative, when it goes in denominator, the power become positive. If it is positive, when it goes upper side, then it becomes negative. It is vice versa. So when it is 6 to the minus 5, when it goes to the denominator, it becomes a positive, and when it is in negative, it becomes positive. So this is very important. When we will study other laws of exponent, it will be used. Right? Now coming to the second part, that is law of exponent with same base. Okay? Yeah. So a law of exponent with same base. The first law is, if I write a ki power m into a ki power n, this becomes a ki power m plus n. For example, if I have written 5 ki power minus 7, 5 ki power 5. Clear? So here the bases are same, it is 5. Here base is 5 and powers are minus 7 and 5. So it will become 5, right? It will become minus 7 plus 5, 5 minus plus minus, 7 minus 5 is 2, and the sign is with greater, so minus 2. Similarly, it is 5 cube power minus 2. When we take it into the denominator form, the power become the positive, so it will become 1 upon 5 cube power. This will be our answer, correct? Okay. And this is the was the first. If I say 5 to the power 7 and 5 to the power 2, similarly 7 plus 2 is equals to 5 to the power 9, right? So this was with negative powers and this was with positive power. Now the second property is a ki power m divided by a ki power n, it becomes a ki power m minus n. Let's take an example. If I say 7 ki power 5 divided by 7 ki power minus 2. So here the base is same, 5 minus minus 2. We had put the sign minus and between the two powers. Okay, it will be just a minute. 7 minus minus plus, it will be 7, right? 7 ki power 7, this is your answer. Okay, if I write 8 ki power minus 5 divide by 8 ki power minus 2, it simply become 8 minus 5 minus minus 2, right? Minus minus plus 2. Okay, plus minus minus 5 minus 2 3, sign is with greater sign minus, so when you take in denominator, it will become reverse, so it will become 1 upon 8 ki power 3. This is your answer, correct? Okay, so uh, there were two properties under the in which base was same. Now, in this also we will see two properties in which bases are different. So first, let us consider the first example. Okay, suppose I took a ki power m, okay, b ki power m. Here you can see the bases are different, powers are same. So it becomes a b ki power m. Example, 7 ki power 5, okay, 2 ki power minus 5. 7 into 2 ki power minus 5 become 14 ki power minus 5. It is 1 upon 14 ki power 5. Clear? If I say, right, 7 ki power minus 6, 1 ki power 1 ki power minus 6, 7 into 1 ki power minus 6, 7 ki power minus 6, it will go in denominator, it will come positive. This is your answer. Clear? Okay. Now let us see second property. Second property is like this. A ki power m divided by b ki power m. It becomes ab ki power m, or a divided by b ki power m. Also, this also means a ki power m upon b ki power m. Now, let us consider with an example. Suppose I have written 7 ki power minus 5 divided by 8 ki power minus 5. So, we can say that, right, 7 divided by 8 ki power minus 5, or 7 upon 8 ki power minus 5. This also means the 7 is also having minus 5, 8 is also having minus 5. Now, let us consider this. So, 7 is also having minus 5, 8 is also having minus 5. So, we know that when this property we have studied, a ki power minus m upon 1 upon a ki power m. When the negative power goes into denominator, it becomes the positive. Positive into numerator, it becomes a negative. Similarly, numerator when goes into denominator, power become positive. Denominator into goes into denominator, it become this is the. I hope there are no issues. Everything is clear. Okay. Now let us consider some other laws of exponents. Do you know what do you mean by 2 ki power 0 or minus 2 ki power 0? The 2 ki power 0 is 1, minus 2 ki power 0 is 1. Means a ki power 0 is always 1. A can be anything, up, suppose 7 by 5 0 is 1. Minus 6 upon 5 upon 0 is 1. Okay, so anything upon 0 is 1. This is the first property. Second property, if I say a ki power m divided by n equal to a ki power m into n, right? Okay, if I have given, suppose 6 ki power minus 2 ki power 1. So 6 minus 2 into 1, it becomes minus 2 upon 1 upon 6 ki power 2. This is your answer. So far we have studied exponents. What do you mean by exponents? With the same base, different ways, and some other laws. So I hope everything is clear, and I'm able to understand. I'm able to able to clear all your thoughts and the facts, right? Okay, so class, thanks a lot for your cooperation.